Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy American English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am very happy to see you all.
It is great to see you too, Paul. You look very happy today.
I am. It is a new year, and it is a new week. I feel good. How are you, Emily?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little busy, but that is okay.
Ah, busy is good. But before we talk about our busy lives, we have to say something to our friends, right?
Oh, yes, you are right, Paul. Everyone, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to Easy American English Channel. It helps us a lot. We want to make many more podcasts for you this year.
And don't forget to share this with your friends and your family. If someone is learning English, they can listen to us and learn too.
Exactly. Sharing is caring.
Yes, it is. So, Paul, it is January. It is the beginning of the year.
It is the first week of January. Everyone is talking about their plans and their new routines.
Yes, and today we are talking about our week. What do we do from Monday to Sunday?
That is a great topic, Emily. A week has 7 days, and every day is different.
That is true. For me, the week starts on Monday. Paul, do you like Mondays?
That is a difficult question. On Monday morning, I am usually very tired. My bed is so warm and comfortable.
Me too. My alarm clock goes beep, beep, beep at 7, and I say, oh no, not yet.
Yes, but then I think about coffee. I love coffee. I go to the kitchen and make a big hot cup of coffee.
Ah, the coffee helps. On Mondays, I try to be very organized. I look at my notebook. I write my to-do list.
A to-do list? That is very smart. Emily, what is on your list for Monday?
Well, I have many emails to write, and I have to go to the office.
The office? Is your office far from your house?
No, it is not too far. I take the bus. I like the bus because I can listen to music or read a book.
That is nice. I walk to work. It is good exercise. It is a little cold in January, so I wear a big coat and a hat.
Walking is great. So when you get to work on Monday, what do you do first?
First, I say hello to my colleagues. I smile and I say, "How are you?" like we talked about in our other episode.
Good job, Paul. Confidence is important at work.
Yes. Then I look at my computer. I have many meetings on Monday. Meetings, meetings, meetings.
Oh, I know. Monday is the day for meetings. Everyone wants to talk about the new week.
Exactly. Then it is Tuesday. Tuesday feels a little better than Monday.
I agree. On Tuesday, I usually go to the gym after work. It's my new plan for January.
The gym? Wow, Emily, that is fantastic. Is it difficult?
It is a little hard, but I feel very strong after. I stay there for 1 hour. I walk on the machine and I lift small weights.
I need to go to the gym too, but in January the gym is very crowded. Everyone has the same idea.
That is true. Everyone wants to be healthy in the new year.
On Tuesdays, I like to cook a big dinner. I go to the supermarket and I buy vegetables and chicken.
Chicken and vegetables. That is very healthy. Paul, do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do. I remember our talk about money. I use a list so I don't buy too many cookies.
Good. No wants, only needs on Tuesday.
Exactly. Then comes Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Some people call it Hump Day.
Hump Day? That is a funny name. Why do they call it that?
Because it is like a hill. You go up on Monday and Tuesday, you're at the top on Wednesday, and then you go down to the weekend.
I like that. Wednesday is a good day. On Wednesday nights, I usually meet my friend Maria.
Ah, Maria, the one who is getting married.
Yes, we go to a small cafe and talk. We talk about her wedding plans and our week. It is very relaxing.
That sounds lovely. Having a midweek break is very important. What about you, Paul? What is your Wednesday like? Wednesday is my cleaning day. After work, I go home and I clean my apartment. I wash the dishes, I clean the floor.
Wow, Paul, you are very busy on Wednesday.
Yes, but I like a clean home. It makes me feel happy.
I understand. A clean house is a happy house. Then it is Thursday. Thursday is great because Friday is almost here.
Yes, on Thursday, I am usually very tired from the week. I don't go to the gym. I stay at home and watch a movie. What kind of movies do you like, Emily?
I like comedies. I like to laugh. It helps me forget about work stress.
Laughing is the best medicine. On Thursdays, I study English. I read a book and I practice my vocabulary.
That is great, Paul. You are a very good student.
Thank you. I want to be better every day.
Then finally, it is Friday, the best day of the week.
Oh, yes. Everyone loves Friday. The energy in the office is different. Everyone is smiling.
Yes, we finish work and we say, "Have a great weekend."
What do you do on Friday night, Emily? Do you go out?
Sometimes, but usually I am very tired. I order a pizza. I like cheese pizza with lots of vegetables.
Pizza on Friday is a tradition. I love it. I usually watch football on TV on Friday night. It is very fun.
Football? You really like sports, Paul.
I do. It's exciting. And then the weekend starts. Saturday.
Ah, Saturday, my favorite day. I sleep until 9 o'clock. No alarm clock.
9 o'clock? Wow. I sleep until 8. I cannot sleep very late.
8 is still late for you, Paul. On Saturday morning, I go to the park. I see the trees and the birds. It is very peaceful.
I go to the farmer's market on Saturday. I buy fresh bread and fruit. The apples are very red and delicious.
Like Maria and Leo's story, red apples at the market.
Yes, but I don't drop mine.
Good. Then on Saturday afternoon, I usually go shopping. I like to look at clothes and books.
Do you buy many things?
No, I just like to look. It is fun to walk around the mall and see people. Saturday night is for friends. I usually go to a restaurant with my friends. We eat pasta or steak, and we talk for hours.
That sounds wonderful. Friends make life better.
They do. And then Sunday, the last day of the week.
Sunday is a slow day. I wake up and I make a big breakfast. Eggs, toast, and orange juice.
Breakfast is my favorite meal. On Sundays, I visit my parents. They live near my house.
That is very nice, Emily. Family time is important. Yes, my mother cooks a big lunch. We sit together and we talk about our week.
Do you talk about Easy American English Channel?
Yes, I do. My parents listen to our podcast. They say, "Paul, your English is getting very good."
Aw, that is so sweet. Hello to Paul's parents.
Yes, hello. On Sunday evening, I feel a little bit sad.
Sad? Why?
Because Monday is coming. I have to prepare for work again. I look at my clothes for Monday. I put them on a chair.
I understand the Sunday blues, but it is also a time to rest. I read a book in bed on Sunday nights. I go to sleep early.
That is a good idea. Rest is important for a new start.
It really is. So, Paul, we have a very full week.
We do. From Monday meetings to Sunday lunch. Life is busy, but it is good.
It is. I like my routine. It helps me stay organized.
Me too. Even in January when it is cold and we want to stay in bed, having a plan is great.
Exactly. Well, Paul, we talked about many things today.
We did. It was a very nice conversation. I think we should remember what we talked about.
Yes, let's think. We talked about Mondays and how coffee helps us start the day.
Yes, and we talked about work and saying hello to our colleagues. We also talked about our January plans, like going to the gym and eating healthy food.
That's right. And don't forget the middle of the week, Wednesday, my cleaning day, and your coffee with Maria.
And the best part, the weekend. Pizza on Friday, the park on Saturday, and family on Sunday.
It is a very good week. I am happy we shared this with everyone.
Me too. It shows that everyone has a routine. We all do similar things.
Yes, English learners, your week is probably busy too.
We want to know about it. Everyone, please leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what is your favorite day of the week and why?
Do you like Monday because you see your friends at work? Or do you like Sunday because you can sleep?
We love reading your stories in English. It is great practice for you.
It is. And please, if you enjoyed our chat today, subscribe to Easy American English.
And give us a like. It makes us very happy.
Share this episode with your friends who want to practice English.
Yes.
Well, Emily, it is time to go. I have to go and prepare for my Monday.
Good luck, Paul, and good luck to everyone listening.
Thank you, Emily. It was a pleasure.
The pleasure was all mine. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.